All right, check out this fresh arrival 24 Honda CRV EXL, all-wheel drive, pearl white, only 20,000 miles, new body style, all the features, leather, moonroof, privacy glass in the rear, alloy wheels. This one's got a power seat, nice infotainment system. Again, pearl white, 24 Honda CRV EXL. This one's Honda certified, 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Goes to a 182 point inspection. They check it over from front to back, top to bottom, side to side. Make sure all the fluids, filters, brakes, tires, everything is up to their specifications. That's how it's able to be backed with a warranty from Honda. Get it any Honda dealer in the United States. Comes with 2 sets of keys, all the books. Let me show you the inside here, show you the moonroof. It's got all season mats. Customer really took care of it. Moonroof up there. Show you the dash with only 20,000 miles on it here. There's the infotainment system. This one's ready to go. It's hard to find these. The new body style is a pre-owned with a better warranty than new. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Or give us a call, 734-453-3600. Thank you.